Hi, welcome back to vSkul Live. Okay, in this walkthrough video, I'm going to show us how to log in as an instructor and create our live course, maybe an upcoming live course. Just as you can see here, this is a live course. It started August 8th and it will run through to August, to run through to August, to September 19th, right? Now, as if you want to host your own live class, this is exactly how you go about it, okay? So as an instructor, what you do is you come to this button here. Now you continue as an instructor. But if you've not created your account as an instructor, you click on Apply to Teach, and that will load this page for you, right? But however, it's important you read our instruction, right? You read it up, and then you get all that is applicable there. Now, but I already have an account, so I'm logging in. Now, this is my dashboard. This is my dashboard. Now, as you can see, I have two screens here. So I have quite a number of what we call labels here, right? K-12, schedule K-12, manage K-12. Now, everything K-12 is for those that are handling JAM, WAEC students, right? WAEC, JAM, NECO, and all the rest of them. But this is where my interest is now, because I'm making this video for those who are doing live pro sessions, right? For professionals. So that's why you see the word pro. So create pro live session, create live class, right? And if you go down, you also see your next schedules coming up, which is the next class for Claude, which, like I said, started on the 8th of August and runs through to September 15th, right? This is the next session. Now, if you see other sessions, you click here. Now, for those, okay, this is also the breakdown of that class. You see, August session owner has held. Now, the remaining is this one showing here. Then from here, you start having that of K-12. K-12 also on August 17th, they have a class coming up, as you can see here, right? So now our focus here is to create a live class, right? So instead I click here, or I go to Pro Live Courses. I click here, then my Pro Live, it brings me to this page. As you can see, I already have created one, which I said is ongoing right now. It's ongoing, and it will end in August, September 19th. I don't know why I keep saying August. So to create a new course, you click here, and then you add your course. You add the course title, the description, upload your thumbnail, full description here, select the category here, select the level here, set your price. If it's free, you leave it at 0. Now, what date will this live class hold? You set a date. Now, if it is one-off, then you don't need to bother yourself here. Just say it one, just don't bother yourself here. Just leave it like that. Okay. Then, if it is only just set the date. One class, just set the date and leave it. Then set to what students will learn and course requirements. Then select, if you're ready for it to go live, then you click publish. If not, you set it at draft, okay? But we encourage you to host a course that will exceed 1 day, so you have enough time to teach or impact your students, right? So that you can set here, if it is more than 1 day, you set here, okay? Then you click on create calls. That's it. Once you do that, it will load your calls and have it, and to show you like this on this page. See mine. So as you've created a course, it will bring you to this page where you can now add your sessions, right? Where you can now add your sessions, live session, number of sessions, and then room name. The room name is where, because for every instructor will create them, they will create a room name so that they will have access to the live class. Without a room name, you can't be assigned a live class, right? You don't just get a live class like that. We have to, so that we don't, the essence of doing this, so that people can just get into the platform and misuse our platform, right? So it's important we do this to safeguard the platform from abuse, right? So you enter how many sessions you have, the date, number of hours, minutes, one-off, or weekly. And then you add your sessions. It will now break down into this, right? It will now break into this, okay? So that is basically how to create a course, and you then to go into your live class. I think I have to create a new video. Now I have to create a new video for that, so you can know how to, after creating your live class, you upload your thumbnail, you will see it like this. You will see it like this, and then to go into your live class, you click on the schedule. But let's get into the next video, so I'll show you how to start your live class, okay? I'll show you how to start your live class in the next video. Thank you so much, and God bless you.